Today's article, Discovering Bliss in Nature Sounds, a story of simplicity and joy by H.A. Scribe. In this article, we will discuss a serendipitous meeting, nature's enchantment, lessons in contentment, transformed by nature. Embark on your journey. In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. John Muir. One sunny day, while strolling through a picturesque meadow, I happened upon a young girl named Lily. Despite her worn clothes and bare feet, her eyes sparkled with a joy that transcended her circumstances. As we struck up a conversation, she revealed the happiness she found in nature's simple pleasures. Lily delighted in the colorful wildflowers that dotted the landscape, their enchanting fragrances drifting on the wind. The symphony of birdsong surrounded us, and she closed her eyes, allowing the melody to soothe her spirit. Curious, I asked how she remained so content despite her humble means. With a smile, Lily gestured to the beauty around us. See the abundance of nature, she explained. This is my world, and it gives me everything I need. The trees offer shade, the streams provide refreshment, and the stars guide me at night. Nature's serenade and vibrant colors bring me joy and peace. In Lily's world, material possessions held no significance. Her happiness was rooted in the natural world's splendor, from the lush green grass to the endless blue sky. As we parted ways, I couldn't help but feel inspired by her outlook. Recognizing a profound truth, true wealth lies not in material things, but in the beauty of nature and the inner peace it offers those who embrace it. Since then, I have sought refuge in nature's embrace, finding bliss in the warmth of sunlight, the soft rustle of leaves, and the serenity of a quiet pond. Lily's wisdom remains with me, a reminder that inner peace can be found just outside our doors, nestled in the beauty of our surroundings. So, dear reader, I invite you to immerse yourself in nature's splendor and discover the simple joys awaiting you. Find your inner peace amidst our world's beauty, and let it enrich your life as it has mine. Embrace the profound truth that Lily and I have discovered, and let the simplicity and grandeur of nature lead you on your own journey toward happiness and contentment.